Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at some of the craziest moments on the road. From reckless driving and ignoring traffic signs to out-of-control trucks. Each clip in this video serves as a reminder to drive carefully and protect yourself and others. I couldn't believe my eyes. The accident was like a dramatic scene from a blockbuster. Thank God no one was hurt. Catastrophic crashes could have been avoided with better speed control and driver awareness. We are watching a collision between a bus and a truck that caused the bus to flip over. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported. Oh my God. The truck driver seemed to have decided to give everyone a surprise gift. As a result, the road was blocked and logs were strewn everywhere. We are witnessing a terrible car accident. Smoke and debris show the severity of the collision. Thank God no one was hurt. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll continue to bring you more fun and informative content. Stay safe.